Funmilifestyle travel with me. I'm just going for my 10,000 walk now. Yeah, I'm on break, a quick one. And the weather has been so good today. It's really, really sunny. So I decided to come down to just for a quick walk and to get a fresh air. It's lovely today. It's beautiful. I hope everyone is doing their 10,000 step. Funmilifestyle travel with me. I hope you guys are doing your 10,000 step. Yeah. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà, ẹ kú dédé wòye o. Funmilifestyle travel with me ni. Yeah, I'm just mo kàn lọ ṣe 10,000 step mi. So mo wà ní break, lunch break. So mo wà ní pé kí n sáré record. Kí n fi weather yẹn hàn yín bó ṣe wà sunny lẹ́ni. Ó wà really, really sunny today. It's beautiful. And yeah, it's great. Just going for a walk, just love it, you know. Like I say, for me, going for a walk is therapeutic and it's very good. It's really, really good for me. I love it. I love going for a walk. Yeah, and it's free. I don't have to pay for it. Yeah, ọ̀fẹ́ ni. Báwọn Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ, wọ́n á ní ọ̀fẹ́ ní ìgbàlà, ọ̀fẹ́ ní ìwòsàn. Ká lọ fún rínrìn, ká lọ fún ìrìn lọ́sàn-án àbí láàárọ̀ àbí lálẹ́, ọ̀fẹ́ ni, kò sẹ́ni àní sanwó fún. It's free. And the mama rí gbogbo nature, green, everything along the line. As we're going for a walk, and it's lovely today. It's really, really sunny, beautiful, beautiful weather. I can't believe it at this time of the year. It's really, really beautiful. I can't believe it. See the sea. It's beautiful today. That's the sun. I can't believe the sun is out today. Yeah. This time of the year. That is really great. Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave you guys now. Continue.